Hello everyone, welcome to Geeky Nerd. Today we will begin the third part of the aptitude topic ages. Before proceeding further, I hope that everyone would have learned and practiced the problems related to the previous two videos thoroughly. The concept which we are going to discuss today is an extension of the part 1 and the part 2 videos. If you had not seen the previous videos, please click on the card or the links in the bio to watch them. It is recommended to learn the previous videos thoroughly and start this. Like, share, and subscribe the channel for more interesting concepts and shortcut methods for solving them. So, without wasting any time, let's head into the part 3 video of ages. The sum of the ages of a father and son is 45 years. 5 years ago, the product of their ages was 4 times the father's age at that time. The present ages of the father and son respectively are. It has been given that the sum of the ages of the father and son is 45 years. So let x be father's age and y be son's age. So it is given that x plus y is equal to 45. So this will be considered as equation 1. So from this equation we can derive that y is equal to 45 minus x, which is equivalent to equation 2. So 5 years ago the product of their ages was 4 times the age of father at that time. 5 years ago means both x and y will be subtracted by 5, and it was given that product of their ages was 4 times the age of father is equal to 4 times age of father at that time means x minus 5. So we can cancel x minus 5 on both the sides, and y minus 5 is equal to 4, which implies y is equal to 9. So we can substitute the value of y in 2, we get 9 equal to 45 minus x, which implies x is equal to 36. Therefore, age of father x is equal to 36 and age of son y is equal to 9. So this looks similar to the word problems which everyone would have dealt in their school life. So let us move to the next question. 5 years ago, Vinay's age was one third of the age of Vikas, and now Vinay's age is 17 years. What is the present age of Vikas? So it has been given that let Vinay's age be Y and Vikas' age be X. So it is given that present age of Vinay is equal to 17. 5 years ago, that is, both the age would be subtracted by 5, x minus 5 and y minus 5. It has been given that 5 years ago, Vinay's age, that is y minus 5, is equivalent to one third of Vika's age. Upon solving, we get 3y minus 15 is equal to x minus 5, which implies 3y minus 10 is equal to x. Let this be equation 1. Now, we consider Vinay's present age as second equation. Substituting 2 in 1, we get thrice of 17 minus 10 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 41. Thus, we have simply found out the present age of Vikas as 41. This can be substituted back in the question to check whether our answer is right. 5 years ago, Vinay's age. So we found out x is equal to 41 and y is equal to 17. So for Alator purpose, we can make use that 5 years ago y will be equal to 12 and x will be equal to 36. So it is very clear that 5 years ago Vinay's age, that is y can be written as 1 by 3 of x pertaining to the above values of x and y. Therefore, 5 years ago Vinay's age was one-third of the age of Vikas is right, and henceforth we conclude that the present age of Vikas is equal to 41. Let us move on to the next question. 5 years ago, age of Sachin was 4 times the age of Vineet, and after 10 years, Sachin will be twice as old as Vineet. Find the present ages of Sachin and Vineet. So from the question we assume that let age of Sachin be y and age of Vineet be x. So 5 years ago, this is x minus 5 and y minus 5, which in turn implies x minus 5 by y minus 5 equal to 1 by 4, which will give me 4x minus 20 is equal to y minus 5, which implies 4x minus y is equal to 15. So this will be equation 1. Similarly, 10 years after, x plus 10 and y plus 10 can be written as x plus 10 divided by y plus 10 equal to 1 by 2, which implies 2x plus 20 is equal to y plus 10, which in turn implies 2x minus y is equal to minus 10. So this will be equation 2. On solving 1 minus 2, we get 4x minus y equal to 15 minus of 2x minus y equal to minus 10. On solving, we get 2x is equal to 25, which implies x is equal to 12.5. Therefore, percentage of Vineet is equal to 12.5. Substitute x in 1, we get 4 times of 12.5 will be 50 minus y equal to 15. Therefore, y is equal to 35. Therefore, present age of Vineet is equal to 35. In this video, we learned to determine the ages as per the various scenarios given in different questions. We solve the problems via the shortcut and the traditional methods. We can choose any method to solve depending upon the convenience. Once again, I insist all the listeners to practice solving more and more problems so that they can increase their speed of solving. Like, share, and subscribe the channel. Also convey it to your friends such that they can be benefited. Until we meet in the next video, thank you.